Hello and welcome back to this series of SAP S/4HANA Utilities Innovations. This time it's about the machine learning algorithms and the business process management integration that we have implemented in SAP S/4HANA Utilities. Again, Holger Schweinfurt from the Industry Business Unit Utilities of SAP SE. And as we have already talked in the previous sessions, we would like to focus a little bit on the selection of various innovations in the context of SAP S/4HANA Utilities. We've already talked in details on the Fiori roles, on the analytics part, and this time we are focusing a little bit more on the machine learning topic. And as always, we of course bring the business value towards our customers in the focus of that innovation. Business focus means what kind of business benefits our customers can achieve with using these machine learning algorithms. And as already mentioned, we have implemented the machine learning algorithms for the implausible meter readings and the outsorted billing documents. And these two processes usually cause a lot of manual effort for the clarification of implausible readings or outsorted billing documents. With the machine learning algorithms, we can calculate a release confidence that is based on historical data, on empiric data, but also present data. And you have the possibility to automatically release all the different documents based on a certain threshold according to your individual needs. And that significantly reduces the overall processing time. However, we have talked a lot in theory. Let's go into the system and have a look on how these innovations look like. We are in the Fiori Launchpad, have a look on the predictive models that are implemented and just select the relevant ones for utilities. And you can see the two that I have mentioned. Let's go in the implausible meter reading machine learning algorithms. You can see the new training versions that we have implemented with some influential factors on the left side, but also with some details on the performance on the right side. However, that is more for the technical people. Let's go in the real application on the utilities measurement processing and the periodic meter reading overview that you have already been introduced in the previous sessions. Have a look on the list view, and you can already see here the release confidence is calculated on the right side. Another topic that I would like to mention is the business process exception management. And here we are already accepting one case, so that is being assigned to me as a working agent. I have a look on the details of this specific case, on some failed validations, on the meter reading history, some more information. But then you can also have a look on the clarification case. And in this case, the task is too complex for me. I would like to return it. And you can see there is no processor assigned anymore, and somebody else needs to take that over. With that short demo, I hope it brought you some additional insights about our SAP S/4HANA Utilities innovations. But of course, you can always have a look in our Roadmap Explorer as well as in the Help portal with lots of more information dedicated to these topics, but of course also to all the other innovations that we have implemented in the context of SAP S/4HANA Utilities. Moreover, you can explore all these topics in a real life environment, in your own environment through our SAP S/4HANA Utilities trial. And I would really encourage you to take this opportunity and subscribe to such a trial for a given period. With that, I would like to close. Thank you very much again for listening. And if you have any questions, comments, please feel free to reach out to us at any point in time. Thank you very much and bye-bye.